In addition to choosing major breakpoints where layout changes significantly, it's also helpful to add minor breakpoints to make some small changes. For example, between major breakpoints, it may be helpful to adjust margins and paddings on an element, or to increase the font size to make things a little bit easier to read and feel more natural in the layout. In this case, let's boost the font when the viewport width is between 400 and 550 pixels, where our breakpoint kicks in. I'll also separate the low and high temperature so that they're not on the same line, and make the weather icons bigger as well. Let's switch to the source, and I'll add a media query that's applied when the viewport is between 450 and 550 pixels. It ups the base font, changes the low and high temperature to be inline block, and increases the icon size. I'll save the file, and then take a look in the browser. Sure enough, my icons are now bigger, my fonts are now bigger, and everything looks like I expect it to. In this before and after, you can see how things have really changed. The icons are much bigger, the font sizes have also changed, and the minimum and maximum temperatures are now shown in a slightly different way. For larger viewports, I want to limit the maximum width of the forecast panel so that it doesn't consume the entire viewport as it gets wider. I already have a linked style sheet with a min width query of 700 pixels. So in there, I just need to set some margins and padding. Let's take a look. I'll set the width to 700 pixels and set margin left and margin right to auto. I'll come back to Chrome, hit refresh, and now we've got what I want. There you have it. You can use minor breakpoints to adjust the little things and really make things shine.